Coming to the seventh problem, an insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random, that is, without any preference of one driver over another in a particular city to find relationship between age and accidents. Data obtained is given in the following table. In the first column, given that age of drivers, which is 18 to 29, 30 to 50 and over 50 ages of drivers. In the second column, given that accidents in 1 year, 0 accidents are 440, 505, 360 and 1 is 160, 125, 45 and second and 2 is 110, 60, 35 and 3 is 61, 22, 15 and more than 3 accidents takes place in the ages 18 to 29 years is 35, 32 to 50 is 18, over 50 ages are 9. Here we need to find the probabilities of the following events for a driver chosen at random from city. First one is the driver being given in the age group 18 to 29 years and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. And second bit is the driver being given in the group 30 to 50 years and having 1 or more accidents in 1 year. Having no accidents in the year is third event. Coming to the solution. In the first question, we need to find the driver being in the age group 18 to 29 years and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. So that we need to find the total number of accidents, which is equal to the sum of 440, 160, 110, 61, 505, 125, 60, 22, 360, 45, 35, 15, which is equal to 2000. Therefore, the total number of accidents is equal to 2000 and the event is the driver being in the age group 18 to 29 years and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. So that probability of event is equal to number of favorables to the total number of outcomes. Number of favorables is the driver being in the 18 to 29 years age group and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year, so that which is 61. Therefore, the number of favorables is 61 and the total number of accidents is equal to 2000. Therefore, the probability of event is equal to 61 upon 2000. Therefore, the probability of driver being in the age group 18 to 29 years and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year is 61 upon 2000. Coming to the second bit, which is the probability of the driver being in the age group 30 to 50 years and having 1 or more accidents in a year. So that the number of favorables for the driver being in the age group 30 to 50 years and having 1 or more accidents in a year, which is the number of favorable outcomes is equal to the sum of 505, 125, 60 and 22. Here, the driver being in the age group 30 to 50 years and having 1 or more accidents in a year, so that the number of favorable outcomes are the sum of 125, 60 and 22, which is equal to 225. Number of favorables is equal to 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18, which is equal to 225. So that the probability of event is equal to number of favorables to the total number of favorables, which is number of favorable outcomes are 225 and the total number of favorables are 2000, which is the total number of accidents. So that the probability of event is equal to 9 upon 80. So that the probability of the driver being in the age group 30 to 50 years and having 1 or more accidents in a year is 9 upon 80. Coming to the third bit, having no accidents in the year, which is the accidents are 0. Having no accidents means the accidents is equal to 0, so that the favorable outcomes are accidents in 1 year is 0 is the sum of 440, 505 and 360, which is equal to 1305. So that the favorable outcomes are 1305 and total outcomes is equal to 2000, which are the total accidents. And here having no accidents in 1 year is 1305 and the total number of outcomes is 2000. Then we need to find the probability of event, which is equal to number of favorables is 1305 upon total number of outcomes is 2000, which is equal to 261 upon 400. So that the probability of having no accidents in 1 year is 261 upon 400, which is the end of the solution.